Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sanya and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm participating in a challenge called Use Your Stash, and it's hosted by Crafty Kitty, Thelma Hall and C'est Dawn. I'm not sure if I'm actually saying that right. So we are to make something out of things we have at home. The only thing that we could buy for this project is tape or glue. So I have a project that I really like that I made. I made it for Valentine's, so let's get right into it. And there will be I will have the channels linked down below, and I will have the playlist linked down below as well, so you can check out what everybody else has made. For using my stash, from my stash, I am using a piece of wood that I had left over from a different project, a piece of foam heart that's in my kids craft, and then I'm using some leftover Annie Sloan chalk paint, sandpaper that I have on hand, so a paintbrush, and you will also need a glue. And I'm also using a key that I had left over from a different project and some twine. So I did not buy anything for this project. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to give this a little sanding just to clean it up. So you're gonna wanna tape this. Bottom metal, and now I'm going to give it a light coat of paint. You want to remove it just like that. This doesn't take long to dry because the paint went on so light. And then I'm going to take my twine, thread the key, tie it up. Pretty simple. And I'm going to hot glue it to the top. There we go. All of my decor this year is fairly rustic, and I think this just goes right with it. So here it is all done in on my little front entryway dresser, and I would like to thank all the ladies for hosting this challenge. I love participating in budget-friendly challenges, and make sure you check out all of the ladies' channels. They will be linked down below, as well as the playlist for lots of great ideas. And if you're brand new, stopping by for the first time, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. I post DIY type of videos all the time, so make sure your notification bell is on as well, so you don't miss out any of my new posts. And those of you returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.